YouTube, another quick unboxing. This is a new brand to me. It's been around for a while, but it's one of my first FMS model. It's the Toyota FJ Cruiser. So yeah, I don't really know what to expect with these. I hear good things about them, but we shall see. I should do the special unpackaging to get to the box really, shouldn't I? Magic. That was very well packed in bubble wrap and stuff. It says open here. Inside we've got the, I believe, instruction manual. English and Chinese. If you wanted to see the box, very cool. All the techno babble, if you want to pause that. Oh, it's quite weighty. We have so in the box, obviously we have the Toyota FJ Cruiser, charger, wheel hex, not just charger and wheel hex. Warranty, I guess. Control. Yeah, no, that's it. Nice sturdy little box actually. You could store it in if I'm out and about with it. That's fuel here. Not sure why they want me to put that. Is that open? The whole battery's crammed in there well. So I get that in frame there. Little 380 milliamp battery. Tiny little thing, bless it. Yeah. Quite nice detailed interior. Tyre foams feel decent. The tyres feel like they have foams and feel reasonably grippy. Let's see if we can find some batteries for the remote. Okay, so we take 4 AA's, quite securely in there. This opens up as well, somehow. There we go. Yeah, so we've got bunch of different settings, steering trim, throttle trim, let's have a closer look. My eyes are getting a bit old nowadays. Yeah, reverse steering angle, reset, AB mode, 4 channel, 6 channel, steering trim. Hopefully you can see that. Focus, maybe. Are we going to focus? Back on the side, not entirely sure what that does. Join that back in there. We must have an on-off switch somewhere. Just getting it under the bonnet. There it is. Steering don't seem too bad. Does the bump steer a little. Not sure what that does. Seems to have good modulation. There's not nothing to do with speed. Nope. So one of these must be lights somewhere. No, I'll have to read the manual to get the lights. Is that it? No. Yeah, so there is obviously a setting for the lights, which I have to do the man thing or the unman thing and read the manual. Regardless of the lights, it does seem to have a fairly decent crawl light. The suspension flexes quite nicely. So it's got better steering one way than the other for some reason. Maybe there's a steering rate. What do you know, I've just found the lights. Do we have tail lights? Okay, we don't have brake lights. We can either have brake reverse lights. And again for the price. It seems actually quite reasonably capable. With a seemingly decent slow pull. I think them steps are going to have to disappear. Yeah, so a new one for the collection. I do have a couple more FMSs turning up soon. The well, I think they're the FMS's cheaper brand, which I believe is Easy RC. I've got the Bronx, which is the new Bronco, and I've got the Jeep Cherokee, which is the what they call the Thunderstorm. So when they turn up, there'll be a quick unboxing of those as well. Anyway, please like and subscribe. More content to come. There'll be training videos, upgrades, and plenty of other RC related stuff. And looking forward to seeing you again soon. Cheers. Bye.
All right, hopefully these people